Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of At Ease No Media. National Readership Survey or NRS. So today we will be discussing about National Readership Survey. As the name suggests, it's a readership survey which is conducted nationally. Now the key points are, that means the key points which we will be discussing in today's lesson. That is the introduction part of NRS. What is NRS? Then comes the governing body. Who governs NRS? Who conducts this survey? After that, the history behind NRS. After completing the history, we will be moving forward to the process. That means how NRS actually works. After completing the process, we will be moving to the other than print, because NRS is not only restricted to print media, it also surveys other than print media such as television media. And the competition of NRS we will be discussing at last. Introduction. So, NRS is claimed to be the most unbiased and authentic survey of the country. Because, why authentic? Because it provides executive data from large sample and it gives socio-economic characteristics of readers. It gives socio-economic characteristics of readers of various publications. And lastly, NRS helps the media planners for develop their media strategies. Media planners like the advertisers and the programmers, because the advertisers invest in the newspapers, so that without knowing the feedback, the advertisers are not willing to invest the huge money into it. So NRS helps none but the advertisers. So let's move on to the next slide. Governing body. Coming forward, who governs the NRS? NRS is governed by three governing bodies. Firstly, AAAI, after that it comes ABC, then INS. As we all know, AAAI is the Advertising Agency Association of India. Advertising Agency Association of India is helping NRS to conduct that survey smoothly and effectively. ABC, that means Audit Bureau of Circulation, ABC also helps NRS. And lastly, Indian Newspaper Society, because NRS is mainly dealing with the readership of newspapers, though it deals with other than print media, but also it mainly focuses on Indian Newspaper Society. So NRS, the survey is conducted by three governing bodies, that is AAAI, ABC and INS. Now let's move on to the next slide. History. The history behind NRS. Actual fieldwork of the survey was conducted by AC Nielsen. It's a company, and Indian Market Research Bureau. AC Nielsen and Indian Market Research Bureau IMRB started the NRS for the first time. In the year 1999, NRS features the rural trend for the first time. So when it was started in 1999 by the Indian Market Research Bureau and AC Nielsen. They investigated the readership of major Indian publishers, dailies, weeklies, bi-weeklies and monthlies, because the investigation was the main part of any survey. Because after investigating, the media planners or the advertisers can introspect their investments. To investigate, they are just getting knowledge of their investment. Is it a good investment or a bad investment? Should the advertisers continue with advertising in that particular newspaper? This is decided by the NRS, and it's a kind of introspecting session of the newspapers. So the newspaper organizations is undertaken by any survey which is conducted by the NRS to investigate about what? Investigate about Indian publishers, about dailies, about weeklies, about bi-weeklies and about monthlies of any publishing unit. The process of NRS, how NRS works. NRS works by systematic sampling. So what is systematic sampling? Large number of households in each town proportionate to its population. See, it is not possible to collect the samples from door to door. So they are conducting a mean, the average of a particular area, and they are taking the analysis of their survey so that they can introspect. So how they introspect? All men and women above the age of 15 years are questioned for about half an hour on the basis of structure of questions. So the question they are taking the survey, the fundamental of every survey is with the help of questionnaires. Now there is a catch. Their data is fieldwork driven and non-panel data. We can split the data in two different aspects. One comes the fieldwork and another comes the non-panel data. Fieldwork data are connected with direct live audience, and non-panel data is without the help of audiences. So moving to the next slide. Other than print media. So as we have discussed in the key point slide that NRS is not only limited to print media, it also got some exposure in TV channels too. So the data, fieldwork and non-panel data. Competition faces from another readership of Indian Readership Survey, IRS. NRS is entirely for urban, whereas IRS is both for urban and rural areas. This is the main difference between NRS and IRS. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Keep supporting.